The Indy Racing League is all about being leaders in innovation and technology, and we cannot expect to be on the forefront of our sport unless we entertain and engage in projects with the College for Creative Studies. They're one of the preeminent design schools in the country, and we think it's a fantastic association. This project has really challenged the students in both advertising and transportation to design the IndyCar of the future. We think there's a tremendous opportunity to give us an iconic new look to really enter the next 100 years of what we do.
I learned a lot. I feel like
then they take us to the
I
basement.
have a better grasp of like the difference between an Indy car and a Formula One car, and you know, the different classes, especially in scale. When you're seeing these cars in real life, it's a lot different. That's what I got out of it mostly. And talking to drivers was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
You don't realize exactly how fast they're going until you see this huge track and they're doing these laps in like 50 seconds. You know, it's ridiculous. That is ridiculous.
I think one of the examples they gave was the across the football field in 9/10 of a second.
Yeah,
and it's like
that's
wow,
amazing.
That's crazy.
I mean, did it help you with your ideas at all? Or?
I think it gave us a better grasp on basically just understanding what they already have, and that's important because if you understand what they have and the history of it, that enables you to push that into the future, you know what I mean, and use newer technology to create something fresh looking. So
It also energized us a lot too.
yeah, it got us.
Like the next couple of weeks will definitely go good after this because everybody's kind of on the same level now. Yeah.
Got us in the mood, and we're all excited to get.
What you see here is all the information that they've been collecting over the last 2.5 weeks, all put together in vehicle concepts. So now we start with the work that you see here in kind of fine-tuning ideas, what the car is going to look like, what the track experience is going to be like for the fans. We probably have about 2 or 3 more weeks of this process, where we refine these ideas, and then we'll move into a phase where we start modeling these designs in 3D.
It's kind of hard to see what I want to do on the paper because I mean I have the design in my head, but obviously paper is 2D works. You don't see what's going on with the light reflections. You don't see the light cores or anything like that. So you have your hands-on touch with the 3D model, so you have better understanding of what the form's doing, what the surface is doing. I think it's a better tool to work with.
Once you have the completed alias data, you bring it to Neil. Neil's the guy who mills out our cars here. Then he puts it into the mill, and it's a 5-axis mill. Depending on what shape your car is, he measures up a piece of foam, and you gotta either cut it out or glue it up, whatever. And then he throws it on the mill, and the mill actually comes in and cuts out the bottom of the car first. And then he turns the car over and cuts out the top. Based on what I've learned, mechanical aspects of it, and seeing the cars at the Indy track, at the old museum, and it's just really cool stuff, and the engineering and design is amazing behind it. And to actually be a part of that and to try to create a new design for a car like that, for a legendary series like that, is amazing. To me, it's like blowing my mind. I can't believe I'm doing this. Which is cool though. It's fun, and it really gets you motivated about the project.